Good morning, everybody. Totally relaxed here. Jim, in case you've never been here before, is my name. I hope everybody's doing great this morning. It is a very cloudy day, as you can see today, but at least it's 55 degrees right now as I'm headed out to run errands. And it's not in the 18s and 20s like it has been the last few days. And it's supposed to get up to about, oh, I don't know, 65, 66 degrees today for the next couple of days. And I don't know what's going to do after that, because, you know, like we always say here in Texas, if you don't like the weather, stick around 15 minutes, it'll change on you. And that is so true. Anyway, not much going on. I'm just headed over here at the post office to pick up something I ordered from one of the GMRS sites. It only took them a week to get it to me after it arrived at the main distribution center about 3 miles from my house. I don't know why it took so long, but anyway, it finally showed up, thank goodness. And other than that, I just need to go to the grocery store and buy some groceries, and that's about it. So I'll bid y'all farewell. Have a great day. Hope everybody's healthy and happy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.